Welcome back to KidBits. Today we want to take a look at the looks command section. Those commands, they are all about changing appearance. So let's not waste any time. Let's go. So here we are back in our editor, and now we're gonna take a look at our first command, which is the say something, in this case hello, for a number of seconds. And well, it does exactly what it says. So if we activate that, the cat speaks hello for 2 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna go right to the next one. So this one is similar. It also says hello, but if we activate it, this one doesn't go away, no matter how long we wait, unless we trigger another command, which comes now. We're going to trigger now the think command, which is, it just has a different bubble. It's more like a thought bubble. So if we activate that, you can see it's like a thought bubble, and it disappears because it only says so or thinks for 2 seconds. And as you can imagine, with that you can like create dialogue and make up a small movie. So, and we have also the equivalent that is similar to this one up here, but just as think. So this won't disappear. So in order to make this disappear, I'm actually going to trigger this one again, because I want it to disappear. Yeah. Okay, so now it's gone, and now we can move on to our next command. So this one is switch costume to, and with this one, depending on how many costumes a character has, you can switch through them. And here we have we can actually check here, we got 2 costumes. And so we're gonna just switch to the other one, and as you can see, we switched to the second one, and the cat moved a bit there. And if we switch back, it goes back to normal. That is the switch costume. And then we have next costume. This one is similar, except that it always moves to the next one. Not to a specific one, but just to the next one. So let's say we have 10 costumes, and you go through it, then you will basically go through all 10 and then end up at the beginning. Once you like went through all of them, and then you go one more, and then you're back at the beginning. So here, as you can see, you basically move back and forth by just activating this one. Okay, then we have switch backdrop. So switch backdrop is similar to switch costume, but instead of switching the costume, obviously we're going to switch the background. So if we activate that, the background changes. Exactly. And then we also have next backdrop, which is similar to next costume. And if we trigger this, it will switch back and forth between the backdrops. And then we have change size by 10. Well, it does exactly what you think it does. It changes the size of the cat. So we can actually make the cat bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. The more we trigger it, the bigger it gets. And then we also have set size to. And this is in percentage. So if we trigger that, we set it back to 100% because that is the regular size. Obviously, we can also set it to something else. So we say 50%. And so if we try to trigger this again, it doesn't do it because it's already at 50%. So that's actually the difference between change size and set size. And that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at KidBits.